too dark. Wow. Is it got a duck? What else we got? What is that? Slow down. Wow. Hold up the dresses. That's it. Let me see your clothes. Or should I keep the clothes and you can just have the box?
Keep clothes.
Let me see. I think one of the shirts has a bunny on it. You say, let's take a look. What are you doing? You're being silly. Get the light in here. It's too dark. Here we go. I think it's from the window. Okay, hold up the dresses so I can see them. Hold it up. Look at this one. It's got butterfly on it. See? And what about this? It has a bunny on it like your... What's it say? Does it say Happy Easter?
No,
Say Happy Easter.
I got it.
Don't be silly.
I did.
What?
I did.
Are you talking like a baby? You say goo goo gaga?
No.
No. That's what it sounds like. Goo goo gaga. Say Happy Easter. Okay. Thank you. Alright, I'll just tell them to send you shoe boxes next time. Or send another shoe box so you have one for the other foot. I don't... I think you're too big for that. She's being goofy. Can you wear it on your head? Okay, say thank you. Thank you for the shoebox. Weirdo. Okay. Say, Great Grandma and Great Grandpa, send me another shoebox, please, because that's my favorite toy ever. Okay, say bye-bye.